Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 2017 67 Reg 440i M Sport GRAN COUPE. The vehicle is presented in the mineral grey, features a wide array of BMW options alongside the facelift and the YNC Mperformance body styling kit. As you can see, it also has the 19-inch 704M BMW alloys that are in superb condition and are finished in the Orbit grey. All the way around, we've got the mixed premium run flat tyres. At the front, you'll see the facelift LED headlights, gloss black front splitter and matching kidney grills. Behind those wonderful 19-inch alloys, you'll see the M Sport Plus brakes, and with an engine as wonderful as this one, you're certainly going to be thankful for those larger brakes. Down the side, we've got the gloss black sidebars, satin side vinyls and YNC Mperformance decals. Sun protection glazing, again thanks to that Plus package. Inside, we've got a wonderful coral red Dakota leather with both the heated, electric movement and memory for driver's side. There is, of course, also the Harman Kardon surround sound. Once again, thanks to that Plus package. We've got the magnificent 8-speed sports automatic gearbox equipped with this car, which again is going to work really nicely with that wonderful engine up front. Rear passengers, again, whilst it is an extremely fast and powerful vehicle, it is yet still a practical one. So there's a 3-seat Isofix rear bench with a central folding armrest, all of which is in great condition. We still have our darkened M Sport headlining. At the back of the car, we'll show you off once again these wonderful 19-inch alloy wheels. And round at the back, we've opted to go for the high gloss rear boot spoiler and a satin rear diffuser on this 440i. And as you can see, again, not only have we got the facelift tail lights on the 440i's, you get this beautiful twin exit exhaust. And we have, of course, fitted the relevant diffuser over the top or so. Split folding seats with removable top and bottom parcel shelves also give you that improved boot space over an already very large boot. Round at the driver's side, once again, everything's lovely, clean and tidy, and we shall shortly be going ahead, taking a seat inside the car. And don't worry, I will be giving you a chance to listen to the fantastic noise that these cars make. Inside the vehicle, we do of course have the professional wide navigation and media screen, alongside some other nice features. First of all though, we'll quickly get the car started up. It has been warming up for a little bit of time whilst I've been doing pictures and other things with the vehicle, so we will get a chance to give it a little bit of a rev shortly. As you can see there, another nice feature, I don't often show this, but in a car like this it is quite relevant to have your power and torque displays. Navigation, of course, having that bigger screen is always going to be a huge benefit. The sat-nav system in the BMWs is a real breeze to use. Anyone can pick up and get on with it straight away. Real-time traffic updates to ensure you're on the fastest route possible. Bluetooth audio and telephone. We've also got a wide array of multimedia inputs, including DAB, music collection, AUX and USB inputs. Down here is the dual climate controls, also where you'll find these switches for the front heated seats. In terms of overall mileage, it's only covered just over 29,000 miles, so it is a nice low mileage example. There is cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls, as of course, where also you'll find the pedals for the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. So the last thing to do is just quickly pop the car into sport, allow both the sides of the exhauster to open up and give the car that little bit of a rev for you. So if you do want to find out a little bit more information about this vehicle, I'll leave some links for you in the description. From there, head on over to our website. You can view all about the prices, and funding options are of course available. Thank you all very much. We do of course hope to see you all very soon. Thank you, take care, bye bye.